Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to comment photo on TikTok. So let's start. Before starting, it's important to know that this feature not all the devices have it. In my case, I don't have this feature on my device, but if you have this, well, I will tell you how you can find and how you can write or post a photo on the comment. So in this case, for example, this video here. Let's go to the comments, and here on the under you will find the symbol at, emoji, and present or gift. If you have the feature about picture, it should appear here a square about the picture, and you can write it or press, and then you can post the picture on the comments. In my case, I don't have it, as you can see. In that way, you will write the comment or post the comment with a picture without any problem. It's very easy to do it. So that's the way. I hope this information helps you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give a thumb up to this video.